Hello plywood friends, this is Chris and we're back at the woodyard again today. It is late in the afternoon, it's probably like 4:30, almost 5 o'clock. I'd work to do in my other business all day today and I got that all done. So I got the evening now, and that's good because it was 92 degrees again today, and now there's a lot of shade in my work area here. So even though it's probably still 90 degrees, it doesn't feel so bad because I got a lot of shade. Again today, no wind whatsoever. That is a big popple tree there. Look at the leaves. Not even moving, not even a twitch, nothing. There's no wind, none. So warm, very warm. So my plan is that I would like to get, like I said yesterday, to get as much of this cut as possible because my wood splitter is supposed to be coming next week. So I've got this pile right here and I've got this pile down here. Is part of the same truckload that I got. I got some of this cut already and I got a bunch of this cut already. So what I want to do is get going on these so I can cut as much as I possibly can before my splitter gets here, and that way I can have it all ready to go so that when the splitter's here I can just start splitting like crazy and get it done. So I got all three saws right here. They're all gassed up, they're all oiled up, they're all sharpened up, and they are ready to rock and roll. So here we go. Cutting. Okay, there's something here I want to show you. You noticed on this piece when I cut it before, there was a leftover piece, like was two of these. It was these two pieces right here. So it was about 8-9 inches across, which is too small, to sell obviously as a piece. So once they get to be this big, I'll cut my cookies down this size. Instead of having one chunk, I'll cut it down to this size, because there's 8, that's 16 inches right there. And this one's 16 inches, so then I'll just split it down the middle here, and then I'll just have 4 16-inch chunks. So basically I get 4 pieces of wood out of that. So I'm selling the cookies too when they get to be that size, once they're big enough. So there you go, little lesson for the day. Well, that sucked. It did not go according to plan. My first saw, I should have took the rakers down. It was nice and sharp, but the rakers were too high. It cut okay, but not great. But I got a whole tank out of that one. Then I thought, oh great, I get to switch to a good saw. So I switched to the other one. Oh, it's cutting just beautiful. About halfway through, I hit the ground. I made a rookie mistake. I tried cutting one of these runners here. I tried cutting in on it. And I thought I could just get close, to where I wouldn't hit the ground. I saw sparks fly. Hit a rock. Dull as a popcorn fart halfway through. So I just shut it off. So I got a half a tank out of that one. Then my last saw was cutting fantastic. Just ripping through, just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I had a log roll and catch through the chain. Which, as you know, if you cut a lot, you're going to throw a chain occasionally. So I only cut about 2 tanks of gas, but that's okay, because I'm about to pass out. I'm so hot. Still no wind really at all. You can see the flag over there, not even moving. Still hot. So I got a bunch cut. My goal was I wanted to get the rest of this cut, and if I could have got both of those saws to run full tanks and be sharp, I would have finished this pile tonight. But I got a lot done. I got enough that I guess I shouldn't complain. I got a lot of this stuff here cut. All that's left is this little bit here. And I threw the rest of these chunks out of the way over here. So now all I got left is this part of the pile here. And so that right there is probably like 4 tanks worth, I'm thinking. What's left there? It looks like about 4 tanks worth. And over here should be about 1 tank. So 5 or 6 more tanks I'll have her done. Whew, hot. Anyway, thanks for watching. It was fun. And please poke the buttons, like, subscribe, share with people, call everybody, call your aunts, uncles, cousins, neighbors, sisters, wives, all that stuff. Call them all. Tell them they should be watching, because this is where it's at right here. This is it. So I'll see you next time. Same wood channel, same wood time. Good night, Irene.